2007 Keystone Cougar 276 RLS for sale in Koza, Nebraska, 69130. 2007 Cougar by Keystone, fifth wheel 1/2 ton series 276 RLS Polar package. Kitchen contains wood cabinets, stove oven, microwave, fridge freezer, sink, dinette. Living room contains flat HD TV, surround sound, DVD, CD stereo, sofa sleeper, 2 recliner chairs. Bathroom contains skylight, glass enclosed shower, outside shower, linoleum floors, queen bed, TV hookups in VR, furnace, smoke detector. Welcome to Select Vehicle Marketing. Visit us anytime at http://www.selectvehiclemarketing.com, the nation's premier marketplace for sale by owner, private party listings of cars, trucks, RVs, boats, motorcycles, airplanes and all types of motorsports and heavy equipment. Select Vehicle Marketing is the nation's premier private party, for sale by owner advertising agency. Select Vehicle Marketing prides itself on its commitment to meet and exceed our clients' expectations. Select Vehicle Marketing has marketing professionals who are experienced with every aspect of internet marketing and advertising. From our world-class network of websites, to our new and innovative products such personalized YouTube videos, individualized listing-specific pay-per-click campaigns and optimized eBay auctions. So if you are asking yourself, how do I sell my car online or how do I sell my RV online? Contact Select Vehicle Marketing. Select Vehicle Marketing also offers assistance with anything and everything you could possibly need while selling your car, truck, RV, boat, motorcycle, airplane and all types of motorsport and heavy equipment, including financing, shipping, warranties and more. Choose from one or our whole suite of digital advertising products. Call a marketing specialist now at Select Vehicle Marketing so we can help you sell it fast. While Select Vehicle Marketing makes every reasonable effort to ensure the accuracy of this information, Select Vehicle Marketing is not responsible for any errors or omissions in the listing descriptions or on these pages. Please verify any information with the owner. Select Vehicle Marketing will provide owner contact information to all legitimate inquiries.